welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a coloring tutorial because a lot of people wanted to know how I do my coloring. Yeah, let's get started. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna screenshot the QR codes that are on the screen. Both of them have names on top of them. So first we're gonna use morning, and second we're gonna use hush. Now you're gonna go onto the app 24 FPS. And you're going to click this import button. So click, and then you're going to choose your video. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one, and then you're going to click use at the top. Then you're going to click this green, blue, and red dot. And you're going to, so I already have the filter, but you're going to click this plus button at the top corner. And then you're going to click import polar QR filter image. It's the second filter. And then you're going to import the one that looks like this. It's like kind of blurry. I already have it. So you're going to import it there. And then you're going to do the same with the other one. So I'm just going to delete it quickly. And you can just import. Okay, now you have both your filters. So first you're going to use this one. And then you're going to click save and share at the bottom over here. And then you're going to save as video. And unfortunately, 24 FPS, the app I'm using right now, is only for Apple. It's not available on Android, so I'm sorry if you can't do it. I will try. I have like other coloring tutorials that I think you can do on Android, so you can go check them out. Then you're going to go onto this app, Precool or Prequel. I'm just going to say Precool. And then you're going to press the plus button at the bottom, import your video. Then you're going to click adjust. And you're going to put the exposure to 25, the contrast to 50, the highlights to 25, and the haze to 25, glow to 10, and blur you can put it to however much you want. I like 25. I'm just going to trim off the end. Then you're going to click this effects button. And then you're going to scroll to find this filter. It's called Dust. And then you're going to click it again. And you're going to put this Dust to 100, but the filter to 0. Then you're going to go on Effects. And you're going to find the filter Stockholm, or however you pronounce it. And you're going to put it to 50. Then you're going to save the video. Okay, then you're going to go back onto 24 FPS. And you're going to import the video we just saved. And this time you're going to put the filter Hush. And it's going to make it look like this. Then you're going to save it as video. Now you're going to add your text. So I'm going to add my text, and I'm just going to, for now, I'll just add something random like, hello, hello. So you can just add whatever you want. I'm just going to add this. And then you can save your video. And then you're going to go into the app Color Tone, Video, and you're going to import it. Then you're going to go on to, the filter we're going to use is, it's called Avalon, sorry. Yeah, Avalon. And you're going to click on it again, and you're going to scroll down to 45. And there you go. Now you can save the video. And you're all done with the coloring. And the coloring might look different depending on how the lighting of the video is. So if the lighting is super like dark, then you might not be able to see the filter that well. But if it's light, then you might be able to. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you can leave video suggestions in the comments down below. Bye!